What's up, guys? It is October 11th, 2016. I'm about to head out to go deer hunting. Yesterday wasn't very successful, but it was nice to get out there. It's always nice to get out there. I have an exam coming up tomorrow, so I've been studying for that all day today, and now I'm going to be headed out to the deer blind. Maybe do some studying while I'm in the deer blind. Who knows how it goes? But I'm prepared today. It is just as cold as yesterday, not as windy, not really raining that much, so I'm going to be, I got my wolf fur hat on, and I should be warm. But, way too warm right now. Anywho, I'm thinking with this nicer weather today, they should be coming out earlier. I'm going to start bringing some deer, like a deer grunt with me, maybe a doe bleat, just in case I need to get some attention, pull a deer in a bit. So that's kind of what I'm aiming for today. So anyway, I'm about to get all geared up, bring more clothes than I did yesterday, and start walking to the deer blind. It'll be a decent hunt. By the time I get there, it'll probably be 4:15 or something. So yeah, well, stay tuned. Hunting the Interlake outdoors. I'm Kevin Erickson. Let's get to hunting. Let's get to hunting. I keep it brief, keep it quiet on my way to the stand here. Just coming out of my driveway. Just a beautiful day. Not sure where my cows are today. That's fine. As per my luck, just got to sit down in the blind. Now it's raining, or actually it's snowing more so. There goes my farmer again today. Okay, so we have 37 more minutes of hunting left. It's cold, I'd say 1 or 2 degrees Celsius, and the skies have finally just cleared up. Got a little bit of blue skies. It's the first time I've seen blue skies in probably a week, so I think it's only a matter of time till some deer start moving. I'm thinking in the next 10-15 minutes, so I'm going to keep it quiet, and we'll see what happens. Stay tuned. Just seen our first deer of the night. He just run across through the field about 100 yards from here. I might leave the blind a little bit early, just to sneak out into the field and see what's out there. About 2 weeks ago, and man, is he a dandy. It's obviously not very good camera light right now, but I'm just making my way back home now. But was that a giant or what? That'd make a beautiful bull buck, that's for sure. Whew. So Yeah, it's October 11th today. Sat in the blind. The blind I'm on is in this little swamp, right in between 3 fields. And lots of times these deer are using the swamp as a safe travel corridor to get between all the fields. But tonight it seemed them deer weren't too worried, and they were taking the trails right into the field, completely bypassing the swamp. So I have an exam tomorrow in Winnipeg, and a night class as well, so I won't be doing any hunting tomorrow, but I'll be back in that blind. I'm thinking Thursday night or maybe Thursday morning. I'm not sure what these deer do in the morning, so I don't want to come here and bust them off the field. I'd like to move a blind in a way that would have been perfect tonight. That would have given me a shot at that big buck. I know exactly where he come from. Coyotes. I'm gonna move up a blind, I think, on Thursday afternoon, and I'm gonna move it in a way that's gonna be good for that big buck, and maybe he'll give me a shot with my bow. But geez, what a beauty. I didn't get the greatest look at him through the camera. Maybe it turned out better once it's blown up a bit, but he looks like a 140 or something like that deer. So man, I'm really hoping I get a chance at that deer. What a buck. Just crossed the fence back on the road here. About a half a mile walk till I'm back at the house now. So I'll check back in with you guys a little later. Thanks for watching Hunting the Interlake Outdoors. I'm Kevin Erickson. Let's get this deer.